Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a look at the WINZZ Spruce electric acoustic guitar set, specifically the AF168CE 41 GSB V model. This set is really aimed at beginners, students, and anyone just starting their musical journey, whether they're kids over 11, teenagers, or adults. It's a full-size 41-inch electric acoustic guitar designed for right-handed players, and it comes in a classic sunburst finish. One of the standout features is the incredibly comprehensive kit included. WINZZ has bundled 11 essential accessories that beginners will use constantly. You get a padded guitar bag for protection, a wall mount for display or storage, a comfortable strap, a handy 3-in-1 tool that is string winder, cutter, and bridge pin puller, a digital tuner to keep you in pitch, a capo for changing keys, a set of replacement strings, guitar picks, a polishing cloth to keep it looking nice, a wrench, and even a small bag to keep all the accessories together. This complete package is a huge plus, saving beginners both money and the time it takes to track down all these items individually. Looking at the guitar itself, it has a unique design touch. While it features the traditional sunburst color scheme, WINZZ has added a subtle, almost peach-shaped pattern on the deck. It gives the classic look a bit of vibrancy and playfulness, making this particular guitar feel a little more special and visually appealing. For beginners, learning fret positions and chords can be challenging. To help with this, WINZZ has designed exclusive W symbols on the fingerboard at the 3rd, 5th, 7th, 9th, 12th, 15th, and 17th frets. These symbols look a bit like little wings and are intended to help new players recognize positions faster and remember their chord shapes more easily. It's a thoughtful feature aimed directly at making the learning process smoother. Tuning is another area where beginners can struggle. This WINZZ guitar comes equipped with high-quality steel strings, sturdy metal gear heads, and a high-hardness nut and saddle. This combination is designed to make tuning the guitar easier and help it stay in tune for longer periods. Avoiding constant tuning hassle is really important for maintaining interest and motivation when you're just starting out. The simple mechanics and stable performance contribute to a better playing experience. The guitar is constructed with a spruce top and body, a linden back, a NATO wood neck, and a technical wood fretboard. It's built to provide a great sound and a beautiful appearance, which are definitely important factors when you're learning. Ultimately, the WINZZ acoustic guitar kit presents itself as a worthy first choice for anyone looking to learn, play, and practice. It's suitable for a wide range of ages, from older children to adults. Considering the arm length and finger width, it's recommended for those over 11 years old. Whether you're buying it for yourself or as a gift, it seems like a solid option to get started on the right foot.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.